Mishimelon.
The numbers are a bit confused today about where they should be. Can you move number 1 to its right spot? Move number 1. Great! Number 2 needs to be on its right spot as well. Well done! Number 3 left. Let's move it to its right spot. Great job! Hooray! 4 decided to have a little stroll around the place. Let's try to find all the 4s. Awesome! 2 more left. Yoo-hoo! And don't forget the last one. Well done! You found all the 4s.
It is amazing!
My friend turned 5 years old. Let's find all the number 5s here. Great! So many fresh vegetables in the garden. Let's put them into the baskets. Put 1 cucumber into the basket. Great! Put 1 onion into the basket. Good job! Put 1 beetroot into the basket. Yay! You did a great job! Are you ready to test your knowledge? How many watermelons do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Move the correct number to the spot after the equal sign. 11. Right! There are 11 watermelons. Let's check the way you count things. How many apples do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move the correct number to the spot after the equal sign. 10. 10 apples. You did it so well. Time for some glamour. Let's color 10 nails. Color all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yoo-hoo! It looks very pretty.
Let's help Charlie cross the river by stepping on the numbered stones in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job!
Well done! Now Charlie can continue his journey.
I like these flowers. Let's brighten them up. Let's color the picture according to the numbers. Look Look at how pretty it is now. I'm so excited. This silhouette reminds me of something. Let's find out. Match all numbers in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! It's a palm. Match all numbers in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a human body.
Circle.
Let's put all the toys in the correct boxes. The number of toys should match the number on the box. Move the items into the boxes according to the numbers. Hooray! That's right! Move the items into the boxes according to the numbers. Yeehaw! Move the items into the boxes according to the numbers. You did it great, buddy! Oh, look! It's an apple tree! Let's collect all the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Great! There are 11 apples here. How about we pop some bubbles with numbers? 13, 13, 11, 8, 11, 11, 9, 11, 13, 10, 10, 12, 8, 12, 10, 13, 13, 13, 10, 11, 8, 11, 10, 9, 13, 12, 13, 9, 11. You have a true talent.
You are good teacher.
Bimmy wants to find some sheep. Can you help Bimmy find a place with the same number of sheep as in the cloud above his head?
4. You're doing amazing!
2. That's right. You're doing great. 3. That's right. You're doing great. 7.
Yoo-hoo! Great job!
6.
Yoo-hoo! Great job!
Awesome work. You're so smart.
Wow! I wonder who is hiding in this picture. Connect all the numbers and see what it is. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh! It's an elephant! numbers and see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great! That's a panda.
An amazing.
Hello again. I'm Mr. Math, and this is a lesson about numbers. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Now let's move the numbers to their right spots. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job! We finished collecting all 20 numbers.
What an interesting shape. I hope we get to find out what it is. Connect all the numbers and see what it is. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Ooh, it's a sponge. Well done, champ. Connect all the numbers and see what it is. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This is shampoo. Here are some medicines and a thermometer from the hospital. Let's color the picture according to the numbers. This is awesome! You did great! Let's learn to write number 12. Move the drop to write number 12. You are great at this. Can you do it again? Move the drop to write number 12. It looks great. And the one last one, move the drop to write number 12. You did an excellent job. Let's count how many buttons there are. Tap on all the buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job! There are 12 buttons. It looks like this watch is missing some shapes with numbers. Let's move the shapes with numbers to the right spots. Now we can find out the time again. Great job!
Hi there, this is Mr. Math. Let me introduce you to my numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 5 Now, let's move the numbers to their places. 1 2 3 4 5
This place needs a makeover. This fire hydrant looks terrible. Let's color the picture according to the numbers. Wow, it looks brand new. Wow, it seems some numbers are missing. Let's put them back on their places. And here is a row in which there are not enough numbers. Let's see what is hidden in this item. Woohoo! These are the missing numbers. Put all the numbers in the correct places. Great! All the numbers are on their places. Oops! It seems that numbers have disappeared here as well. Fix it! Great! We have a row to fill. Let's see what is hidden in this item. These are the missing numbers. Put all the numbers in the correct order. All the numbers are found and placed correctly. Well done!